Imagine a man who saved thousands of babies, yet for 35 years he was paid as a janitor and never called doctor. That's the story of Vivien Thomas, a true hero hidden behind a mop and a lab coat. Born in 1910 in Nashville, Vivien dreamed of becoming a physician. A brilliant student, he saved money working as a carpenter, but the 1929 crash wiped out his savings. By 1930, he was hired at Vanderbilt University, not as a student, but as a lab assistant, earning janitor's wages just $12 a week. His talent was obvious. He had steady hands and an uncanny feel for anatomy. Dr. Alfred Blalock quickly realized Vivien could perform complex surgeries after watching them once. Together, they discovered that shock was caused by fluid loss, a breakthrough that saved countless World War II soldiers. Yet when the paper was published, only Blalock got the credit. In 1941, Blalock moved to Johns Hopkins and brought Vivien along, but the hospital still listed him as a janitor. Segregation meant he couldn't eat in the cafeteria or use the doctor's only restrooms. Still, he taught surgeons, invented new techniques, and performed hundreds of experimental operations. Dr. Helen Taussig asked an important question. Could surgery save babies with blue baby syndrome? Determined to find an answer, Vivien Thomas devoted a whole year to perfecting a surgical procedure on animals. On November 29, 1944, the moment of truth arrived as a 15-month-old baby named Eileen Saxon was brought into the operating room for her surgery. In a small, sterile operating room filled with tension, Vivien Thomas stood on a step stool behind Dr. Alfred Blalock, guiding every move with precision and care. As the surgical team worked diligently, the baby's skin turned a faint pink, the crucial sign of life they all hoped for. This groundbreaking procedure, known as the Blalock-Taussig shunt, would soon become a standard, life-saving operation for countless children. For decades, Vivien's name was missing from textbooks. It wasn't until 1976, at age 66, that Johns Hopkins gave him an honorary doctorate and hung his portrait beside Blalock's. He had waited 35 years for recognition.